Hey, good morning. This is one of Monica's morning musings. You like my glasses? Woo! Hey, we are at the Green River Hotel and Retreat Center getting ready to drop off pirate swag bags for our level 3 master craftsmen. And I just was thinking about the idea of, doing things special as we're going back to live events. And there's a book I read a couple years back. It's by Chip and Dan Heath, the Heath brothers, called The Power of Moments. And in there, they gave all kinds of great examples of what we can do differently as we're doing events, whether it's virtual or live. And one of the lines, I'm going to paraphrase it a little bit because I don't remember it exactly, but it's beware the soul-sucking voice of reasonableness. And as we think about that, we can easily do average. Average is easy. Average is what everyone does. But if we want it to be a memorable experience, what are we going to do differently so people have something, a hook to hang some memories on? And so we have, I think we'll have 14 people, 15, 16 people here when we do our live certification this week. And then we're also doing virtual. And when we first went virtual, we would send people these pirate mystery boxes, trying to make it a memorable event, creating that magic circle. And so as we were going back to live, our first time in 3 years doing a live certification for Master Craftsmen, I was like, what can we do? So we just made some really fun swag bag with lots of pirate gear, because that's our theme for our certifications. So my musing and my challenge is, as you're doing hybrid, virtual, live events, what are you doing to create those memory hooks so that people will remember how you made them feel, remember how it was special for them, that it wasn't just dialing it in, doing what everybody else does, but making it something that was truly exceptional and memorable. So have a great day. We'll see you soon.